In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to chat in Zoho Mail. Zoho Mail is more than just an email service. It's an integrated platform that helps streamline your communication with features like the built-in chat option. Whether you're collaborating with a team or just need to quickly message a colleague, the chat function is a convenient way to keep all your communications in one place. Let's dive into the details of how you can make the most out of Zoho Mail's chat feature. When you're in Zoho Mail's web app, direct your attention to the bottom of the screen. Here, you'll notice a chat bar that's always accessible. This is your gateway to seamless, instant messaging. As soon as you access the chat bar, you'll be able to view your Click contacts, chats, and channels. Click is Zoho's chat application that integrates smoothly with Zoho Mail, making it easy to manage all your contacts and ongoing conversations without switching between different platforms. This integration allows you to have an overview of who you're connected with and where your communication stands with each of them. Starting a conversation is a breeze. You can instantly launch a one-on-one chat by simply clicking on a contact. If you need to collaborate with more than one colleague, initiating a group conversation is just as straightforward. This is particularly useful for team projects or group discussions, where involving multiple people can enhance communication and productivity. Now, if you're looking to get in touch with someone specific, but you're not sure where to start, here's a handy tip. Use the shortcut Ctrl+Space while you're in the chat bar. This combination serves as a quick trigger to search your contacts. By doing this, you can easily find and mention colleagues by their names using the @ symbol. It's a remarkably efficient way to reach out to people directly and ensures that your message gets to the right person quickly without any hassle. That's essentially all you need to know to chat within Zoho Mail. It's a straightforward process that, once you get used to it, can be extremely helpful in keeping your communications flowing smoothly and efficiently. Remember, utilizing these features can significantly cut down the time you would normally take to communicate through traditional emails, especially for quick updates and queries. So, the next time you're in Zoho Mail, don't forget to check out the chat bar and give it a try. It's a simple yet powerful tool that can enhance your productivity by supporting instant communication with your colleagues. Thanks for watching, and I hope you now feel confident in using the chat function to enhance your communication in Zoho Mail.